This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Pokémon Home on Nintendo Switch. First, you'll need to download the free Pokémon Home application directly from the Nintendo eShop. Make sure your Nintendo Switch console is connected to the internet for this. Once downloaded, launch the application and follow the on-screen prompts to link your existing Nintendo account. This crucial first step ensures all your Pokémon data is securely tied to your profile, preparing you for seamless transfers and management across your games. Now, let's move some Pokémon. From the main menu in Pokémon Home, select the Pokémon option. You'll then see a list of compatible games. Choose the game you want to transfer Pokémon from, like Pokémon Scarlet or Violet. Simply drag and drop your chosen Pokémon from the game's boxes into the basic box or any other available box within Home. Remember to always save your changes before exiting to ensure your transfers are successfully recorded and your collection is updated. Pokémon Home also has a fantastic mobile app. Download it on your smartphone or tablet and link it to the same Nintendo account you use on your Switch. This allows for seamless integration. On mobile, you can use the Wonder Box to send up to 10 Pokémon for surprise trades with players globally. The Global Trade System, or GTS, lets you request or offer specific Pokémon. Plus, you can check your Pokédex and receive special mystery gifts, expanding your collection and trading opportunities. For serious collectors, the premium plan offers significant advantages. It expands your storage capacity from 300 to a massive 6,000 Pokémon, giving you ample space. With Premium, you also unlock the Judge function, which is incredibly useful for evaluating your Pokémon's individual stats. Furthermore, it enables transfers from Pokémon Bank on the Nintendo 3DS family of systems. Always remember to regularly save your progress after organizing or moving your Pokémon to ensure all your hard work is preserved.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.